Hey guys, how's it going? It's Justin here from Simplified Investing. As always, it is Sunday, so we are putting together our weekly trade watch list and ultimately where the market is going and what we saw last week on the market. Before I get started, if you could like and subscribe to our channel, it would be greatly appreciated. We are coming up on 400 subscribers, so I thank you guys all for that. Without your help and support, we would not be able to be where we are at today. So, getting started, as if you guys have watched our videos before, we like to look at the market to see the direction that we are heading in. So, basically, here's what I'm seeing. We still have this uptrend pattern here. It looks like we're starting to form this big consolidation here. Remember last week when I mentioned this 290 or this 295 level? Look at we got rejected here and rejected here. Actually, this was on 5/12 of last week. We got rejected here, and look at this sell-off here down to this 275 support here. And now we're trying to form this cup formation fill here with a target of 295 and a break above that. Again, we can head towards those highs again towards 300 level. This is going to be the key level here, 294.88. Again, we have levels above 286.97, 289.71, 292.46. You can see we're starting to form this consolidation channel here, which I'm looking for in this coming week to see if we can actually get a higher high here. You can see we get this reversal here at this point and reversal here with this higher high, ultimately indicating a bullish upward movement or a bullish trend in the underlying or the market in this example. However, we did not form this higher high here on 511 here, which is going to be something that we will have to claim this week to see if we are forming a higher high here or if we are entering a consolidation pattern here or a break below this 271.76 for lower lows, which is going to be indicating a bearish move in the market. These are going to be levels that we are watching here. Again, you can zoom in on the 5-day 5-minute here. Basically, these are going to be the levels that we are watching. You get this really strong support here at 281.42, this initial gap down. Then we consolidate here on this 283.06 trend line before we finally start making a move. We failed to break through this 286.97 level, so that is going to be a key level that we are watching. Again, this very strong base support here at 281.46, below that 277.25, and you can see these levels above that we are going to be watching on the market come Monday and for this coming week to see the overall trend of where SPY is going to be going. Again, right here you can see this violent sell-off off of this 286.97 level, and this will be a new resistance, a very strong resistance here come Monday. Watch this 286.97 level to break with a potential gap of 289.71 and a break above this 295 for a fill to 300, confirming an uptrend movement in SPY. So now for our three plays that we are watching this week. As always, as you guys know, we like to watch these three plays. We'll zoom out on the longer time frame. The first one is going to be Google. Google is something that I really like to see. It kind of has the same pattern here as the market. We're really getting this higher high here, higher push, higher push, higher push here. And it looks like we had this correction here down to this 1334 level. And it looks like we're forming this big cup push to this upside at 1406 right here. You guys can see this correction here, and corrections are going to be normal. They are something that's part of the stock movement. It's not going to just shoot straight up, as you guys know. What you look for on these corrections is, are we going to make a lower high? Are we going to make a higher high, indicating a bullish sign to the upside? That's what you have to look at and see the momentum. So you can see Google gaining momentum here after this bottom correction right here, making higher highs still and pushing towards this 1403 level. This is going to be one for you guys to watch on Monday. I will tell you that it does have wider spread, so if this is something that you aren't comfortable playing, then I would not advise playing Google. So this is the level that I was watching here, and you can see how prevalent it is at 1372. Rejection here, rejection, rejection, rejection. We never really failed to break and push above this level with strength, forming a new strong resistance come Monday at this 1371 level, and a very strong support at 1362 here, and another one here at 1353. This is going to be one that I will be watching come pre-market tomorrow and on market open and throughout the week. Google is one that has really high premiums too, so for you guys that are beginning out trading, I would not advise playing this, as typically it will be a lot of your account balance in this one position, and as you guys know, that is not something I recommend, and it is going to ultimately end up to you having a higher increased chance of blowing up your account. Again, guys, strongest level here at 1372, strongest support here at 1352. You can see these levels in between to watch. If you guys want to play this breakout to 1403, set your alerts for the break of 1372 here. So basically all you do is right click, hit create alert, and then add or above, and you can obviously go down here and then hit create. So now I'll get an alert once it breaks above this, and I will examine this closer, but until then, these are the levels that I'm watching on Google. The next one that I was looking at is going to be Gilead Sciences. As you guys know, this is one that has been on the watch list quite a few times, simply due to its nature of this volatile move where you can really capture this while trading options. Again, I kept mentioning in previous weeks this 85 top here. Look at this triple top formation at 85 here, a very strong sell-off each time off of this 85 level. You can see that, look at that long wick on that sell-off. Basically what I'm seeing here is watching this reversal candlestick formation here that we get at this 75-76 level. You can see it reversing here, trying to push to the upside, still getting rejected at this 76-67 level. I will zoom in on this one on the shorter time frame. You can see we're basically trendlining in between these two levels that I mentioned. I'm going to be watching for a break below the 75.61 support for a put play to the downside, or a break above the 76.61 level for a call play back up to the 78.07 level. Again, Gilead has been having higher spreads on their options lately, so if this is something, again, like I mentioned with Google, if you're uncomfortable playing this, simply don't play it. You can watch the movement and study the pattern and learn from it, but you don't always have to play it if you are not comfortable playing it. And then above this 78.02 level here, we get this resistance at 78.68 and 80.46. Again, these are going to be key levels for you guys to watch. The strongest base support here at 75.75. The last one that I'm watching, and this one really sparked my interest when examining the charts, not only on Friday after market close, but also today when I was looking to find plays to look into for tomorrow, was going to be GLD. GLD has been something I have been playing recently and have found some success trading, as it does typically respect these lines that I'm drawing, and also on level 2. Level 2 on GLD does tell a lot about its movement. And basically here, what I'm seeing on this 1 year, 1 day. So we get this very strong resistance here at 164.50. You see this reversal candlestick formation here. This reversal candlestick here at this 164.50 level. I'm watching to see how we open up on Monday here to see if we can confirm this top here at 164.50 like we did here, and we got the strongest support here at 158.31. This is going to be a play that I'm going to be watching close, as this pattern really intrigues me. We get this same setup here back in 414, and look at that sell off to that 158.61 area. Looking to watch on Monday if we can get this reversal confirmation here and push down, or if we can in fact break out and push up to all-time highs here, which is going to be something I am going to be watching as well. So you can see right here, basically we're playing in between this 163.35 support and 164.33 resistance. These are going to be two key levels here that I'm going to be watching come Monday. I always look at these on the longer term trend too, and even on this 5-day 5-minute here, you can see the slow, steady higher highs here up to this 164.80 level. Again, these key levels that I mentioned, watch for this reversal here and potentially break through this 163.37 for a correction to the downside, or if we can in fact form a bullish candlestick above this 164.50 area for a push to the upside in a call play on GLD. These are going to be some plays that I'm watching this week, some levels that I am watching. And as always, if you guys found this video helpful, if you could please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content, it would be greatly appreciated. Hope you guys are having an amazing weekend and look forward to trading with you guys tomorrow. Thank you.